Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about territorial jurisdiction, which is dealt under Section 2 IPC, which is now Section 1 Subclause 3 of BNS. And the case law that we are going to deal with is Mobarik Ali Ahmed versus State of Bombay, AIR 1957 Supreme Court. So interterritorial and extraterritorial jurisdiction, we just need to take a look on what that is. So interterritorial is under section 2, which is IPC, which is now section 1 subclause 3 of BNS. It punishes every person for any offense committed within the territory of India. It applies regardless of the offender's nationality, citizenship, or rank. Presence within India at the time of the act is the key link. Extraterritorial, which is dealt with earlier section 3 and 4 of IPC, now section 1 subclause 4 and section 1 subclause 5 of BNS, extend liability to offences committed by Indian citizens or on Indian ships or aircrafts even outside India. Ensures accountability, does not stop at India. So the case law that we are dealing with, Mobarak Ali Ahmed versus State of Bombay, the citation is AIR 1957 Supreme Court 857. The court examined the true basis of jurisdiction under Section 2 of IPC, which is now Section 1 Subclause 3 of BNS, and the scope of the phrase every person used in this section. So what the court held in this case is the basis of jurisdiction under section 1 subclause 3 of BNS is the place where the crime is committed. The corporeal physical presence of the offender in India is immaterial. The word every person which is stated in this law, it means and includes citizens of India as well as non-citizens, all persons without limitation, irrespective of nationality, elegance, rank, caste, creed, or color, barring those specifically exempted by the Constitution or a statute. So this is the Hindi version of the same. In case you need it for your reference, you can refer it, what the court held and the citations.